In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and let me show you how to activate Wi-Fi safe mode. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and scroll down to the very bottom of the list. Now click on developer options. If you cannot find developer mode here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to do it, on how to unlock it, and open. Now scroll down. And here we've got Wi-Fi safe mode. So if you'd like to turn on this feature and if you'd like to prioritize Wi-Fi stability over performance, just tap on this feature. And that's it, that would be all. This is how you can activate this feature. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, smoothly unmark the indicator and it's no longer active, but I will leave it on as it's truly useful. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.